Hey, what's going on, guys? Joe White here, and you're watching an episode of the J-Dub Twins. Today I have with me Turtle Wax's Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating. So you know how a lot of people spend thousands of dollars, well, I won't say a lot of people, but people spend thousands of dollars on these ceramic coatings for their cars, which is meant to help reduce the amount of dust, debris, dirt remains on the car after driving it. It reduces the amount of water marks and stains that are left on the car. It creates a hydrophobic surface on the vehicle so that when it rains, we have water beading, water sheeting. And a lot of people spend money, to have their cars ceramic coated. Well, Turtle Wax said, hey, for 15 bucks, we can produce something that's just as good as a ceramic coating. And what it is a mixture of traditional wax as well as SiO2 hydrophobic polymers that they've combined. Is a new formula. It's actually an upgrade of a previous formula that they've been working on, and I've seen a lot of great reviews on this stuff. It says here superior shine and gloss, depth of color from synthetic wax, durable protection from SiO2 infusion, repels water and contaminants. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to take the Challenger, spray it down, wash it, dry it off, because this is a spray coating that you have to apply to a dry car, and try some of this stuff out and see how it turns out. So let's do it. Okay, so we have an Aquas Original Performance Drying Technology hair towel. So I'm trying to see if this hair towel can be used just as well as like a car chamois. Because honestly, if you replace the word hair with car on any of this, it should apply, right? Performance Drying Technology car towel. Saves time, super absorbent, reduces frizz. Don't you just hate it when your car gets frizzy? Car looks shinier. Car color stays vibrant. Sounds good to me. All right, let's take it out of the packaging here. Okay, they say a little goes a long way, so let's try it out. I'm gonna apply it with this side and do a second over with this side, or if I need to, I have some microfiber towels. Just say 1 to 2 squirts per panel.
What are you using to make it shiny?
I'm using this Hybrid Solutions Turtle Wax.
Okay.
Like, a lot of people start ceramic coating their vehicles. It costs about a couple $1,000s. Well, Turtle Wax just came out with this new stuff, and they claim that it does exactly what ceramic coating does, except for 15 bucks.
So you spray it on the sponge, or you spray it on the car?
I spray it on the car and then rub it in with the sponge, and then I'm gonna go back over it again with the microfiber towel, get all the shadows out.
Looks really nice.
Yeah, thank you. So for the sake of time, I went ahead and finished up the waxing, the ceramic spray rather, and just giving it a rinse, and I'm going to dry it back up just to try to show you the sheeting and the beading. As you can see, as I spray the water on, the water's quick to roll off. Right here, it's just like falling off. Tight water beads. Look at the spoiler here. You guys can see that. Alright. Now we're just gonna wipe this thing down. get some shots after I finish wiping it. All right. So got it back home. Finished washing it, waxing it, drying it. It's pretty darn shiny. I do have to say, make sure you follow the directions. And literally, when they say a little goes a long way, that is very true. Or else you will spend almost 2 hours buffing out shadows. And you'll still see some shadows and find yourself buffing them out later. And next time I definitely learn my lesson. I'm going to buff until shiny. All right, that's it guys, thanks.